Well, it's that time again. Good morning. It's 6:35. Running a little bit late this morning. A big thank you to Courtney for telling Rita that my video failed to upload, or it wasn't there. Whoa! And just like that, I'm slipping on ice. Had a dusting of snow overnight. Less than a quarter of an inch. It's 22nd of February. Sunrise was at 6:22. I would have thought we had the sun up by now. Or visible. It is up. I can see we have the slightest breeze. Look at the flag. It's 21 degrees again. It's going to be all nice in here. So it's Wednesday. Not sure what today's weather's going to be. I think we had all the weather we're going to have today. Tomorrow is the start of 2 storms that are coming through. We're going to see, they say, somewhere between 4 and 8 inches of snow. I'm hoping it's higher than that. The snow that fell off the roof and piled up on the side of the barn there. I usually don't let that happen, but it froze pretty solid, and the snowblower on the tractor couldn't move it. Let's see if we can walk in the tire tracks. This when it eventually melts, it's right up against the bottom of the barn there, and there is a rodent protection part on the concrete that goes up behind the 16-foot. It's metal, but the water seems to get through that anyway. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Take the cell cams again. Nothing. I think I'm just wasting money on keeping the batteries in them and paying the monthly fee. Although it is exciting when you see a moose or a bobcat. Not so much deer or hares. But when you get a moose or a bobcat, that's pretty exciting. Here comes the sun. Boy, boy, boy. No tire tracks there. Yeah, should be good, pretty good walking on the road here. If Flynn would stop smelling everything. Right at the top of the tree there, you see him? Sounds like an alarm. I don't see any tracks, but he's on some trail. I can't see what's ice and what's dirt. I think yesterday was pretty much all dirt, but this looks like ice here. Yep, just slipped again. Come on, stop. Stop. Boy, oh boy. marking a lot of places today. Would you stop? This looks like dirt here. Now we're back to ice. Yeah, you can see Flynn's even having trouble. So yesterday the laptop had the blue screen of death, which interrupted the upload, which is in the process now of uploading. Said it would be 56 minutes. And before I could start the upload this morning, Firefox crashed. I had one Firefox window open and then tried to open the second one. Got to YouTube. It was on the screen to select the video to upload and it wasn't responding. So I closed that, tried to close the other Firefox window, and Windows popped up a message saying it's not responding. And I closed it. It took for about 5 minutes for Windows to notify Microsoft of the problem. He's being a pain in the ass today. Yeah, this is all dirt now. Over here, see if I can walk in the dead grass. Yep, I guess that's why he's pulling so hard. Gonna take care of business. He likes getting up to the Prentisstown line. I guess that's why he's so aggressive this morning. Yep. Wasn't quite done. Hi, bud. Through the house. Boy, what did you eat? Holy cow. Oh, man. Oh yeah, Rita had put some beef juices. We had taken the pan drippings from the pot roast dinner and froze them. And she thawed some out yesterday, put in this food, and gobbled it up. Maybe that was it. I don't know. He didn't stop at Jenny's this morning. Had some good fires going in the wood stove yesterday. I loaded it up last night before I went to bed. I think I went to bed at 9 o'clock again. I think I fell asleep before watching TV on the couch. That's why I went to bed at 9. But I had loaded up the wood stove before then. And this morning it was 73 degrees downstairs. Easy, but easy. I had set some wood up by the wood stove to get put in before I went to bed, but I didn't do that. It would have been even warmer downstairs. I think I'll be left with like a quart and a half of firewood at the end of the season, but I'll buy 3 or 4 cord just to get that going to try and dry out. I don't know what the price is. The price is up. One thing about a wood stove, power goes out, you still have heat. If you have a pellet stove, you need electricity. Of course, with an oil burner or kerosene burner, you still need electricity. Now, granted, we have a generator. I can go out and start up, but you can have problems with those. I set mine on fire last year. It was, I think, 10 below. When the power went out, and it just wouldn't start, I tried using soldering fluid, and she had a backfire, and set them on fire, pulled my gloves off and started digging snow and throwing snow on it. Eventually got it out. So I had gotten frostbite on my fingers. I'd never been that cold in my life. And of course I had to go back out after my fingers warmed up and get the generator running. Well, check to see what kind of damage was done with the fire, but there wasn't any. I got lucky. I have my old generator in the garage. Haven't started it in probably 2 months. I should start that up. Oh boy. Well, now I gotta try to navigate down the driveway. That's it, water that road. Huh. Oh, that tiny bit of snow we have on top of the tire tracks is not helping. Let's see my spot where I had the ice over there. Whoa! Yep. No, come on. Stop. Get up. I had walked through the field last night knowing this was going to be slick. And at one point I broke through the snow and it pulled my shoe right off my foot. Flynn, come on. Get up. Get. Now your orange coat's all white. I don't understand why he wants to roll in the snow. I don't know whether that's some way of cleaning his coat. Not his orange coat, his fur. Alright, buddy, good boy. Once you get off the hill, it's not too bad. It's not that big of a hill, or steep of a hill. It is a hill, though. I don't hear the neighbor's dogs. I think it's a cereal day. It's first day of Lent, Ash Wednesday. So no meat today. Oh, got some ice there. It's very slippery over there. You can't see the ice underneath the snow. You can see where I was sliding. There's a crazy bird lady trying to feed her birds. In the house.
Do you want to take him in?